What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Whip Style, back with another video, guys. As y'all know, I told y'all, man, I was gonna get up out of here and show y'all how these lights look at nighttime. Well, guys, it's not really night. As y'all know, the sun is going down, guys, so it's a little bit dark. I don't really do too much being outside at nighttime, guys, so I apologize for that. I can't give y'all one, but I might come walk outside the front of my door and give you guys one. But yeah, guys, let's get off into it. All right, guys. I told y'all I'm gonna make a little video of how it look at nighttime. The sun going down, guys. It's not really nighttime, but I just thought that I'll come out here right now, cause once it get dark, guys, man, I'm in there with the family. So here you go. And like I said, y'all, I went with the white. I didn't want to go with the that little amber color like this. I didn't want to go with that color, guys. I went with the white so it can match my headlights. And this is the only reason why I didn't do the amber color, because that got a little yellow little tint to it. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think. We got the Benz style lights on the Tahoe. Sheesh. Looking good, guys. So like I said, y'all go watch that video. The link to where I get them from is in the description, guys. So y'all make sure that y'all do that. Y'all jump down, leave your boy a like. Make sure y'all comment and subscribe to the page, to the channel, guys. Y'all see it? Lit up like a Christmas tree, guys. That's good. Yes, sir. Inside, man. Under them lights, guys. So y'all let me know. Did I hit it? Did I knock it out the park, guys? Man, I think I knocked it out the park with this one. Yes, sir. You know, we got the underglow in there as well. Yes, sir, guys. Y'all let me know. Did I knock it out the park with this one, guys? Y'all jump in and leave your boy a comment at the bottom. But yeah. These here things, man, they come in maybe 4 different colors. You have the white ones, the chrome ones, these black ones. The lights, you're either gonna get the white or the amber, guys. So yeah. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Whip Style, signing on, logging out. I just thought that I'd come and make this little quick little video for you guys, show y'all how these lights look at nighttime. Y'all jump down, leave your boy a comment. Y'all remember, positive light spread positive vibes, guys. Until the next video, we gonna see y'all. Gone.